Hello everyone, welcome to the MultiVariants bulk order app tutorial video. In this video, I will guide you through the Add to Cart button automatic redirect settings. MultiVariant app offers you different options for what happens after your clients click on the Add to Cart button. You can either keep them on the product page or redirect them to the cart page. In this video, I will show you how to set up those options to fulfill your needs. We will be using this demo product for today's video. Now let me select some quantity from the variants and click on the Add to Cart button. As you can see, it reloads the current product page and passes the quantity to the cart page. Currently, the action after adding the product to the cart is set to refresh page. That is why the product page is refreshing after adding the product to the cart. Now let me show you how you can set it up. First of all, navigate to the Shopify admin. Next, go to the MultiVariant admin panel. Then click on the general settings. Now scroll down to the action after adding to the cart option. Here you will see the options for what you want to happen after clicking on the Add to Cart button. Currently it is set to the refresh page option, that is why the product page is refreshing. Now if you want to redirect your client to the cart page, then select this option and click on this Save Changes button. If I go to the product page, add some quantity and click the Add to Cart button, then you can see it is taking you to the cart page. There is a third option available on the MultiVariant admin, that is stay on the product page and reload only the MultiVariant section. If I select this option and click on the Save Changes, now from the product page, if I select some quantity and click on the Add to Cart button, it will only reload the MultiVariant section, not the whole product page. Hope this video helps. Thank you for watching.